So I really told her in a nice way, sorry ma, we cannot do it within the deadline that you want. I have to be honest with you na ito lang po yung kaya namin this time because we don't want to accept a lot tapos hindi pala namin kaya at hindi namin matatapos. Because even yung husband we're doing design work, we always make it a point to make our clients happy and finish the project no matter what. Kahit in the end na minsan tayo mabalaan, di ba? Pero we have to finish pa rin yun. So, yun yung sinabi ko sa kanya. And I really appreciate what she said to me after. Kasi sabi niya, ikaw lang yung nagsabi sa akin in front na tinatanggihan mo yung project. All contractors or yung nakausap ko before, oo lang ng oo. Tapos in the end, hindi nila magagawa.